Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another channel. In this video, we're going to be doing the installations on my 2023 Tesla Model Y, which is the a blind spot monitoring system. So I want to say thank you to Teslasy for sending this over for me to review and install. So it's pretty simple. All you got this connections right here, and then there's two indicators connect to that one, and that one just connects straight to the OBDs. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna set it up, and then I'll do like a demo for you guys, and then I'll give you my thoughts on the system itself. And so I have removed the panel already, and if you're not sure with it, you can check on my previous video on how to install the heads-up displays. But in this video, I'll show you quickly on how I remove it. Okay, stay tuned. To remove this, all you need is trim removal and T20. So some of the cars, some of the models don't need to have this. It doesn't have this, but in my specific model, 2023 Tesla Model Y, you do have to have this. And then you do the other same to the other side. Take out this clip. There's another clip on the bottom that holds this piece over here.
And this way we're gonna connect it. Okay, so we're gonna connect that one over there. It's kind of, sorry, it's kind of space kind of tight in here, but I want you guys to see the connections. So there. And we're gonna do this one. Okay, so this one is already in, right? So we just, this one, we're gonna connect this one. So for this one, the blind spot, the one with the closest, shortest wires will be up here. So, and then the longer one, we're gonna run it across all the way to the driver's side. So this one's here, it's going to this one. And the shortest length, it's gonna be over here. All right, so it goes there, and now we just need to put this one somewhere, line this up into here, maybe keep it down here, maybe back here has a lot of space, so we'll keep it there, right? So I would do, yeah, I would put a zip tie there. Let me get a zip tie. All right, so right now you just zip tie this together, make it, the wires look nice, and then you go up like this, and then I'm just gonna tape it to the dashboard like I did with the other two. Okay, and you do right across, and then we should be fine. So you run the wires underneath there along with the, and then you just come it up right here. Then you're just gonna put it right in there. Once it's in the location that you like, you just put back the screw and put back the panels. Just gonna put back the screws here and then put back the panels here, and then we're pretty much done. Okay, so right now we just finished with the installation. Want to go for test drive and to see how it reacts to the blind spots. Right, you can see it blinks, right? It blinks in green. When I signal left, it blinks as well. Let's pretend to signal left turn. It blinks. It blinks green, but I think like when with the blind spot, it's gonna turn into like an amber color. We're gonna test that. I'm gonna hit on the freeway real quick so you guys can see it. The way that they designed this, they always have like a bypass socket. That way we can put in like another accessory if we like to. I already have the Honcho heads-up displays, and right now I got the Teslasy blind spot monitoring system, which is really beautiful. They all work together seamlessly, and you can see the design. It blends in really good with the color of the car itself. So it's there, but it looks like it's not there. You can't even if you don't pay attention, you don't know that it's there. But it's doing its purpose, which is to let you know there's if there's people there, or there's cars there, that so that way you don't turn into them, right? Which is pretty neat. Car shows up on the blind spot, both of them turned red, right? The one in the hand shows, as well as the one in Teslasy. So we're gonna be hopping on the freeway right now, so we're not gonna drive really far, but I just want to show you guys that it is working, and that way you can see. So right now we're merging into the left lane, so let's signal, right? No, the coast is clear. So, and now on the right hand side of us, we see it's a big truck towing a trailer, and both the hand shows and also the Tesla shows that there's cars there, right? It's a kind of like a red orange color, so that way we know that hey, cars there. Don't turn left. Don't change your left lane. You're gonna hit something, right? Which is look, you had both system working really well, seamlessly, really nice. So let's see. I'm gonna change lane, and I'm gonna show you on the right hand side. So as I signaled to the left lane, it actually turned into red early because the truck was there. But as soon as a truck passes me, now it's just green. So right now another car coming up, you can see on my left hand side, it's a BMW, I guess. Now both cars on my blind spot, and both things lights on. You see that? And as soon as the Tesla passes me, it turns off. So I see another car coming up on me like a Prelude or something, and it turns red. It's a older generation Prelude, which is really nice. So the installation is by far, it's really easy, guys. So don't be afraid to tackle on this one. It's really easy, right? So now signal to the left, and you see both of them working flawlessly. It tells me that it's on the red hand side, so do not change lane. Both of them. Now it's green, it's red, right? So when it's green, that means we can go, right? So you can see here, as soon as we're something in our blind spot, it lights up. So really nice. So it's everything. It comes down to safety and how you want to drive your car. Like I think pretty sure for all of us, when we're driving, we want to make sure that we know there's car on our left or on our right, and make sure that it's safe for us to change lane, right? All right. So right now let's go down on the logo. It's signaling green. Right turn right here. Signaling right. Right, so we're gonna signal right. We're gonna go home. Right, so as soon as I pass this Highlander over here, you're probably gonna see it's something turn on red.
turn red right there. Overall, the installation was a success. It's the first time. You just plug it in. There's two plugs, the OBDs and also the power, which is all provided. And you can't go wrong with it. You know, I mean, it's just one way in. And the rest is just to open the panels. It's really easy. There's most of this, there are only two screws, one on the left and one on the right underneath the dashboards. And the rest are just hold down with clips. And just make sure the wiring, once you're done with it, you kind of hide it, zip tie it, tape it to secure it so that way it doesn't rattles. And these things right here, the little one, you just put in where it's in the corner right there, and it stays very snug. It's not gonna go anywhere, and it blends in with the vehicle. So it works like it's supposed to. It's, you know what I mean? So it's flawless, easy to install, very simple. It blends in with the car. It looks like OEM, and what more do you want, right? So as far as this product wise it goes, you know, I recommend it to all of the older vehicle, like the Tesla Model 3 and the Tesla Model Y. Any vehicles that doesn't have the blind spot monitoring, because basically this one helps you. It shows you, because yeah, on a broad daylight, yeah, you know, or you can see the shadows of that if there's cars or not, right? But however, what happened if when you go like on drive, like on a rainy day, on a foggy day, you can't really see outside your window, right? But this one, the system would let you know that, hey, you know what, it's red, that means that there's a car beside you, right? So make sure that give you a peace of mind that, hey, you know what, I'm not gonna change. This is right here, sometimes if some of us or whoever's out there or doesn't like to look over their shoulder like that, this would help it, because it will tell you whether someone's on your blind spot. You don't have to do that, right? So it makes our life easier, and that's what technology is supposed to be doing. So, and like I said, the new model have a little red dot, right? But this one is the big one. This one a big round circle. When it's safe and everything is green, right? And when it's red, that means you don't change lane. So pretty much, I love this product. Very easy to install. It blends in, everything's good. I recommend it 100%. If you guys use my my discount code, which is John, and click on the link in the descriptions, you get at least, I think, 20% off of the purchase, which is excellent. And if you have any issues with the installations, you can also make a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Also, they also have, you can go to the manufacturer website. They do have installation videos, or you can also go to like YouTube. They do have videos that can help you. But I'm here. I'm an average Joe. If I can do it, anybody can do it. It's not that hard. It might look like hard, like, you know, but it's not. Once you just follow the simple, it's easy. It could be done, and if safety wise, everyone should have it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Other than that, be safe, take care, till next time.